The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Barrick Gold Corporation with the ticker symbol GOLD. This was a viewer's request, and thank you for your donation. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So here we have the daily chart for gold, but before I begin, I do look at gold and silver every Wednesday for my members. So if you guys are interested in following pretty much the most important commodities, you can follow me every Wednesday by getting the membership in the link in the video description and the comment section. So if you're interested in that, then there is a option for you. So let's look at gold. It's looking very strong. I like how it's continuing to move higher. Let's just go over the previous price action because it is important. We did find a double top at this $25 level, $25.77. Prices had a hard time going through it for some reason. If I zoom back, it's probably resistance in the past. Basically, it was a point of selling. So again, this was a double top. This started a several month downtrend, but the downtrend looks to be over now. You can see that we had this channel that prices were inside of. Then we saw a break of the channel, which shows signs of weakness in this descent lower. And then we got two legs down. This is the first leg. This is the second leg. Then we saw another move up, and then another two legs down. So basically, it was a one larger leg. So these two smaller legs made one larger leg. Right when we hit the measure move target, right around this mid 13s. To be accurate, it's at the 1301 level. Right when we hit that, we saw a massive move higher. So that's a good sign that the downtrend is pretty much played out, and we're in a uptrend formation right now. So I'm looking for higher prices, and I want to go over this also right here. This was a strong resistance level in the short term at the $16 level. Finally, prices broke through it, came back, tested it for support, and now prices are still continuing higher since early November this year. So I think there is this channel right here that prices are respecting. You can see that we have multiple touches on the bottom side, and just today we hit the top side. So this tells me that a correction is coming fairly soon, if not tomorrow, and we're going to see probably a pullback for this uptrend. So there's a lot of pullbacks in trends, and this is the time to continue with the trend. So me personally, if I wanted to buy this, I would be just waiting for the next pullback. Once I see confirmation or I see a level holding, I'm going to get in for the next move higher. So this is looking pretty good. I like how we had a downtrend before that has played out, and now we're seeing aggressive buyers come in the market, bidding up the price, and this is looking pretty strong for Barrick Gold Corporation and the commodities that it mines. So it's looking pretty good. So that's all I have for the daily chart. Before I go to the weekly chart, there's actually one last thing, which is this measure move was hit too. So this is the first leg up, this is the second leg up, and the measure move target was right around the 1853. Prices did reach all the way up to the 1906, so it did exceed the measure move, so it's showing a little bit of strength right there too. So but I'm still expecting that pullback to occur, possibly to the opposite side of the channel. That's what normally prices do, but who knows if it's going to hold again. It already tested this level multiple times, so it could break it this time, especially since this measure move is make and we get a bigger pullback than we have been seeing. But even after that, I'm expecting prices to continue to trend higher. So this looks pretty good. It could be a multi-year low for gold. So we pretty much came back at the same point in 2020. So let me go and look at the weekly chart. So we pretty much came right back at the same point in 2020. So if I put a horizontal line, the low of 2020 was right here, and we pretty much touched it. So it's kind of funny how this was a multi-year low, and we're about to start possibly a multi-year uptrend, so off the same bottom. So definitely important to look at the prior levels because it does do something. You can see that we bounced from 2020. Now we're going higher. So this is looking pretty good on the chart. You can see how we went down pretty fast is how we can go up to pretty fast. So we're seeing some nice movement to the upside. There is this resistance level that we just saw a nice push through of this $18 level. So as long as we stay above there, I'm gonna assume that we're gonna start knocking out these resistance levels at the 20.38, and then there's a gap fill right here, possibly reach the $24-25 levels. So me personally, I'm looking for higher price targets. This is looking very good. Overall, Barrick looks like it had an all-time high of around the $54-55 level multiple times from 08 and a couple more times in 2011 after it sold off. I believe 2023, 2024 might be the year for gold to regain the throne and reach those all-time highs once again. So you see that we had two legs up right here. First leg up, second leg up, and then two large measured moves up led to two large measured moves down. So this is close enough. The measured moves target is the 1196. We reached the 1301, so that's close enough. So basically, since we had two large legs down, I'm going to combine the first two legs, and that's what you normally do to get the next target up. And this target is right around the $38 level. So it looks like we're going to probably seeing that maybe sometime this year. So this is looking pretty good. As long as we continue to make higher highs, higher lows, then we're going to be looking for a higher price target. So this is looking pretty good. I think GOLD or Barrick Gold Corporation can have a nice bull trend this year. So it's looking pretty good. So that's all I have for the chart. Basically, this is a good chance of being a multi-year low, and we're gonna be starting the multi-year uptrend, just very similar to what we did right here. So this was the low in 2018. It led to a multi-year uptrend, and this low in 2018 was after a multi-year downtrend. So basically, we had a multi-year downtrend. There's a good chance of this low right here being the multi-year uptrend. There's a lot of technicals telling me that this is a good chance and a good place for the chart to have found a bottom. So me personally, if I was interested in this, I'll be getting on the next pullback. So that's all I have for GLD. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel since you might be surprised what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video in front of your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.